welcome to our channel. Let's do a dance along with us. And we are going to do a cha-cha time step. And we will be doing it for 1 whole minute. Let's get ready into our positions. 2, 3, cha-cha, go! 2, 3. 2, 3, cha-cha, 1. Pay attention to your postures, guys. Sharper foot placement. Very good. Keeping the shoulders down. Nice and sharp. Cha-cha, 1, 2, 3. Holding the leg on 1. Holding it straight. 2, 3. Cha-cha, 1, 2, 3. Very good, guys. 2, 3. More energy, guys. Put more energy into your step. Very good. 2, 3. Cha-cha, 1, 2, 3. Cha-cha, 1, 2, 3. Okay, very good, everybody. Thank you so much. You all did great. Thank you for joining us. Bye.